Welcome everyone, let's turn on Assistive Touch in our iPhone. With every iOS firmware, the location changes. However, I will show you a method which works regardless of the iPhone or software version. So all you do is you open up the Settings app. From here, you tap on the search, and you just want to search it for Assistive, and then you should see Assistive Touch show up at the very top. So again, depending on the iOS firmware, the exact directory you need to tap on will be different, but when you search for Assistive Touch, you tap on it, boom, it will bring you straight to the area in settings which shows Assistive Touch. So if you tap on it and tap to turn it on, you can see boom, Assistive Touch is on. If you want to customize what Assistive Touch does, you can always customize right here, and then customize top level menu as well. Now if you want to learn the exact directory Assistive Touch is located in, just slide back and just remember, so we see touch, then accessibility, and now back home. So then what we do is we go to settings, accessibility, touch, and Assistive Touch. So again, depending on the firmware, that location may be slightly different, but the search bar means you will 100% be brought to the Assistive Touch page at any time. And what's cool is the search works with other parts and settings which you may not know how to access as well. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.